Welcome back to the Savvy Saver channel, the one-stop shop for all your money-saving needs. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join our community of smart spenders. Hi, Savvy Savers. If you've ever looked at your bank statement and thought, where did all my money go? Today's episode is for you. We're talking about subscription creep, those pesky recurring costs that can nibble away at your finances like a mouse on cheese. But don't fret. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to audit your monthly expenses and cancel any unnecessary subscriptions. Step 1. Gather your bank statements. You'll need at least the last 3 months' worth to get a comprehensive view of your spending habits. You can usually find these online, or you can request them from your bank. Step 2. Identify recurring charges. Highlight all the regular payments that are going out of your account. These could be for streaming services, magazines, gym memberships, or even that app you forgot you signed up for. Step 3. Categorize these charges. Are they essential, like utilities or rent, or are they discretionary? This is where you'll find those sneaky, unnecessary subscriptions hiding. Step 4. Review the discretionary subscriptions. Are you actually using these services? If not, it's time to cut them loose. Finally, Step 5. Cancel those unnecessary subscriptions. Many can be canceled online, but some may require a phone call. It may be a bit of a hassle, but think of the money you'll save. Remember, it's not just about the big savings. Those small monthly subscriptions can add up, and before you know it, you could be saving hundreds each year. So, take the time, do the audit, and stop your money from vanishing into thin air. That's it for today, Savvy Savers. Remember, every little bit helps when you're on the road to financial freedom. Stay savvy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay savvy.